Welcome to Solihull Making Space for Nature project. These recent enhancement works are some of the final parts of this 5-year project, largely funded by the ERDF.
The programme is made of 3 smaller projects. This project delivered over 100 hectares of habitat improvements.
Wildlife Ways then built upon this success, enhancing a further 73 hectares.
Alongside the new shared services and existing cycleways, reinforcing Solihull's network of green corridors across the borough.
The Small Habitat Grant Programme finally improved a further 37 hectares within the borough.
The attractive natural environments and new green travel routes will encourage healthier lifestyles,
improve mental health and enhance Solihull residents' quality of life.
The variety of species or biodiversity improves resilience against climate change and mitigates against other environmental problems. It is how the project is assessed.
The management plans are designed to avoid any increase in maintenance costs. Community engagement includes news releases, presentations, events, volunteer planting and 53 interpretation panels.
The overall impact is popular throughout the borough and supported by strategic partners. These have contributed to the delivery of local and regional strategic policies and plans, demonstrating collaborative working within and outside the council.
This project aligns itself closely with the general WMNP ethos, particularly through the investment in the natural environment.